Hey, Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. Today, I quickly want to show you the solution if you see a challenge like this, how you can quickly solve it within 10, even within 5 to 10 minutes. Actually, it took me like 3 to 4 days. It's even more than 3 to 4 days because today is 8 and that's happened since on the 3rd. And so it took me about 5 days to get it solved is because I did not really understand what they are saying. Okay, so as you can see, I found this. Uh, I sent out 80. Actually, it's actually 82 euros to crypto. The consists on the 3rd. As you can see it clearly right here. You can see. You can see the date here. So I sent out this fund to crypto.com app, and so, and the fund says it was successful, but till second day, I did not get any fund on the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. I did not receive any fund, but this guy keeps sending me mails. I mean, the crypto.com, because the fund has been sent successfully, as you can see here. It has been sent successfully, but I did not receive it on a crypto application. So, but crypto application then they started sending me mails. As you can see, they started sending me mails that thank you for the idea. I mean, thank you for the provided documents. So they asked me to send the bank statement. In the first place, I thought is the normal Nigeria bank statement that they were talking about. So I sent that one first. They still resent another mail, as you can see that this mail they have been keep sending this on the 7th. All right, they have been sending this on the, was it 6th, 5th or 6th. Okay, so and they keep saying the same thing that they now said, unable to accept it as we need the complete transfer details. So they later sent this one, and that's when I got them right. So please provide us with the full transwise receipt for the deposit by the successful checked. The receipt should contain the sender's name, the date, and the amount of the deposit sent to us, and the reference number of the transaction. So best regard. Now, I now went to this place, um, Wise app. I went to Wise app, and what I did, I did not know that it was a wrong thing that I was doing. So what I did was I just went to the account, and you can actually check the statement. As you can see, the statement right here. Then I went to Hero. Then I downloaded this. I downloaded it and sent it to. I uploaded it on that because these guys will actually ask you to you see where you can, they will give you access to upload what they ask you, the statement that I'm talking about. So I downloaded it from here, then I sent it to them. So they are rejecting it and keep sending me this same mail. As you can see, yesterday it was 3 times that they sent it. Okay, so now what I did later, so I just went to a crypto app. This is crypto app. So I just went to crypto app because I did not understand what they are really saying. Then I will chat with the customer care service. So I choose English, as you can see. I choose English. Anyway, I chatted, so you don't need to go through what I have gone through here. So I'm just why the purpose of making this video for you in case if it happened to you. Anytime they might just hold your fund and said you should send the statement. Okay, so then okay. So what I now did is, as you can see that the fund has been received today. I just received this fund right now. After what I did is that let me just come to this place. Um, so this is what I did. So instead of sending them that statement, no, we are not sending them that statement. So what you do right is just you click on the transaction that you made, this fund that you sent. So you click on the fund. It's very simple thing, and but I did not get it right on time. So then you come to details right here. Then you see receipts. You see download transfer receipt. Just download it and send it to this guy immediately. Within 2 to 3 minutes, they were approved. I mean, they credit your account into your what is it called? They will credit it to your crypto.com. Okay, you credit to your crypto.com. So that is what I want to show you. So since the fund has entered now, I think we can quickly sell it together, right? So then when you want to sell your fund, as I said in the previous video, uh, what you do is just to go to trade after your fund has entered. Then you just need to click on trade. Then you click on buy. So then you look for XMLM, that is Stellar coin. XLM, you scroll down, then down. Scroll down, you can see XLM here. You can see Stellar coin. So this is Stellar coin. So that is what you're going to buy because of the we are buying Stellar because of the fee when you want to transfer this coin to Binance, so that the fee is very small, very small, so that you not know it won't take all your profit away. So that is why uh we normally buy a Stellar coin. So then when you get here, you click on max. You can see with this max you can able to buy 289.72 XLM. Then you click on buy. So then you click on this, the passcode. So you can see you just bought now. Then the next thing you're gonna do is just to go to, you click here, right here, you click here. So you click this. As you can see, I got a lot that I just bought a coin. Then what you now do is just to click on crypto wallet, because we have changed that euro to crypto. And as you can see, this is our crypto wallet now. So it's going to show the crypto that you have here. Then you click on it, Stellar, that you want to send out, and you must have add your Stellar from coin Binance, Stellar wallet from Binance. You must have add it here. So how can you do that? You can just, in case if you have not been doing that before, then you just go to the Binance, you go to wallets. That is, you can see this is a phone fashion, right? I've not been able to use Binance, but I just want to use it right now. So then you go to your sports, you go to sports, then you go to deposit. Then it must be on crypto, not on fiat, because we want to send crypto down to Binance here. So it's loading. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so then what you do is just to look for, you can see search button here, XLM. Like you can see, this is Stellar coin. You click on it, so it's loading. Okay, so make sure that you are under, look at this place, make sure that it's under Stellar Lumens. Okay, so don't use BEP, that is, don't use this on, you can see the changes. So don't use this one, please. Don't use it on. Make sure that you're using Stellar Lumens wallet. It must give you wallet and the XLM memo. Then you copy wallet and memo down to our crypto here. Okay, so you copy it and send it to crypto here, crypto app here. So you can see it's loading. All right, you can see this, their support just sent me message now about, because I sent message to this support when I did not get what they are saying. Say, hi Ademili, I see the last proof was accepted and you received your coin. Say yes. So but before I answer her, let me just through with the trade that I want to do. Okay, so buy crypto. So you're looking for XL, which is Stellar coin. Oh, sorry, we have already buy Stellar coin. So we want to send out. I don't know. I cannot answer you now. No, I need to answer before I'll be able to do anything. So you can see. So she was the one that really helped me to understand what they are saying because I did not understand. Can see, you can see. So she was the one that really helped me. So thank you very much. So now you come to this place. You click on crypto wallets. So you want to send this crypto to Binance. Okay. Then you click on this. Then you click on withdraw. Then external wallets. So you can, if you have not had your Binance account before, I mean XLM wallet before from Binance, all you need to do is just to click on that on this plus sign. But I'm not going to do that here because I've already this one because my own has been added. So I've shown you how you are going to copy it from Binance to a crypto app. Okay, so this is my own here and the tag. So what I do gonna do next is you click on withdraw. Okay, so you click on withdraw XLM. So I want to withdraw everything. So you click on max. So I'm sending it down to I don't know what's wrong with this one. So confirm. Then you enter your passcode. So as you can see, we just send it to Binance now. So when you want to come to this place, it go to 0. You can see so it remain because I have crypto.com. I have small so you can see you don't have anything here again. So as you can see, XLM withdrawal request, XLM purchase request confirmed. So we'll be expecting this coin on Binance now. We're expecting on Binance. So let me just pause it till we get it on Binance. All right. So as you can see, I'm just trying. We could just get it from Binance now. So the phone coin has entered Binance, but when we deposited, when I deposited rather to Binance, is you can see Binance charged that when I deposited that 80 something euro. So the charges was these two, as you can see, and that's around 46,100 and 184 naira, as you can see, 46,184 naira. That was what this guy charged me for 82 euros. I funded 82 euros. So this is Zenith, okay? So I just want you to see it. Then let's just go to Binance. Let me just go to Binance so you can see the fund has entered, right? So then the next thing that I'm going to do here is just to go to the trade. So I'm going to go to trade. So I go to trade here and then I come to this place. I charge for XLM. I'm checking for XLM. So this XLM USDT, then I click on XLM USDT. Then I want to sell out everything. I see I'm using phone today, right? So then you come to market here. So I'm going to sell out everything 289.62. So I'm going to sell out everything right away. So success. So we just sold out all the XMLM. Then what I'm going to do next now is just to come to wallet again. So you see that you now have this. So go to transfer. You want to transfer it to, before it was from spot wallet to P2P, but right now so now they changing to P2P to funding. So we leave it at funding. Then you now look for USDT. Don't forget, we the Zenith Bank debited 46,154 naira. So then max, let me just drop this down. So max, transfer everything to P2P. Now, the next thing we're going to do is just to click on trade again, then go to P2P. So when you get to P2P, so I want to sell it on Express, just Express trades. I don't have time to be searching for anyone. Then you click on max here, then sell with 0V. Then so can see this is 51,018 naira, and the charges was 46,154 naira. So this is another profit for us. Then you click on confirm sales. So that is it. So we are waiting for this buyer to make the payment. We are waiting for him to make the payment. So let me just pause it. So when he made the payment, then we'll continue. All right. So I got. So when the buyer signify on Binance that he has paid, then I quickly log into my app. As always, I tell you that you make sure that you log into your app or the bank that you are using, the app, or your balance or internet banking. Don't rely on alerts. And as you can see, the guy has dropped the money right here. That's 51,018 naira. And his name is Nuruddin. Like, wow. Okay. So then what we do now is just to go to so what I'm going to do now is just to go to the Binance's amount is supposed to pay, and he has done the payment. So you just click on confirm receipt because we got the payment from him already. So then you click on send code. Then when you get the code, so now that's is to the remaining thing is just to copy this code and paste it here, submit, and that's the end, right? Okay, so we just complete the transaction now, and we made profit about 5,000 naira. Okay, so that is it. We are rolling, guys. So if you want to spend more, you want to spend more without stress, you can just join our inner caucus. All right. So you see the first link on the description below. And if you are watching my video for the first time and you love this video and I want more content like this from me, my channel, please subscribe to this channel, click on notification bell so that anytime we drop a video like this, not you YouTube will notify you that, oh, we just drop a no video, no content for you to watch. Then like this video, you can also share with your friend as well. So join our Naka course to spend more as want, okay, in a month, to make maximum profits like this. Okay, so thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. So please, if you have any question, comment, go to comment section, write your comment, ask your question there. I will be available to answer to you. Then if you are looking for a particular business that you want me to make a video about, you can just say it on the comment section. Then I make our research about it and make the video about and put it on our channel. Thank you very much. See ya later. Bye.